Good afternoon. Video message for Paul. Paul, hi. Thanks for buying the beautiful little vintage Oleo Mac 240. So, before I put her in the box in and drain the fluids, I'll show her running one last time. So, she typically starts the same each time. So she was last run, when did she last run? About a week ago, I think. About a week ago. Kill switch, choke. Choke is stiff on the Oleos, but choke. Kill switch, throttle lock. Okay, choke off. Maybe a bit of residual fuel. Kill switch. Choke off. Many thanks, Paul. Hope you love the little saw. They're gorgeous little vintage top handle saws, and well, still real fun to use as well. Hope we did again. Bye for now.